In the heart of Asia, nestled between the giants of India and Tibet, lies a land of breathtaking contrasts and profound spirituality. This is Nepal, the home of Mount Everest, where the highest peaks on Earth touch the heavens. Our journey begins, not at the summit, but in the lush, tropical lowlands of the Terai Plains. Here, emerald green fields stretch to the horizon, basking in a climate that swings from scorching summers to life-giving monsoon rains. It's a world away from the icy giants that guard the north. As we ascend, we enter the central hill regions, home to the vibrant valleys of Kathmandu and Pokhara. This is Nepal's temperate heartland, a landscape of serene lakes, rolling hills, and ancient temples, where nature and culture live in perfect harmony. Continuing our climb, we reach the majestic northern ranges. The air thins, the world turns to white, and we stand in the shadow of giants. Mount Everest, Sagarmatha, the goddess mother of the world, reigns supreme over a kingdom of snow and ice. But Nepal is more than its mountains. It's a nation of nearly 29 million people, a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to quiet rural villages, diverse ethnic groups like the Chetri, Bahan, Maga, Faru, and Nuer live side by side. Though many languages are spoken, a spirit of unity binds them all. This is a holy land, the sacred ground of Lord Pashupatinath, and the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. In Kathmandu, the ancient Pashupatinath temple draws pilgrims from across the globe. In Lumbini, a sense of peace pervades the air where the Buddha was born. Hinduism and Buddhism don't just coexist here. They intertwine, sharing shrines, symbols, and a deep collective faith. The Kathmandu Valley is a living museum, a treasure trove of art and architecture. The ancient cities of Patan, Kathmandu, and Bhaktapur are filled with UNESCO World Heritage Sites. From intricate wooden carvings to towering pagodas, each telling a story centuries old. Life in Nepal is a constant celebration. The vibrant festivals of Dashain and Tihar light up homes with joy and devotion. Holiday. Holi paints the streets with color and laughter, while Maha Shivaratri and Buddha Jayanti fill the air with prayer. Each festival is a testament to the nation's joyful and spiritual soul. As the sun rises, casting its first golden rays upon the summit of Everest, we see the true essence of this incredible nation. Nepal, where nature meets divinity. Thanks for watching. If you were inspired by this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.